You stand up for prayer, you must not leave gaps for the devil to get in between you and your brother. This devil that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was talking about was not the guy we see in our art galleries. In my country, in Durban, in the art gallery, there's a huge painting with horns and sharp ears and a tail with a barbed hook. And you see the hellfire in the distance. In the picture, you can see all that. I said, Muhammad wasn't talking about that. A devil like that with a tail with a barbed hook. I said, if you see one, you run for dear life. Me too, I run for dear life. Devil comes in a beautiful form. Allah makes things appealing to you, so you get caught. He comes in that form, you run. Muhammad wasn't talking about that. He was talking about you, yourself. He was talking about you, your racial pride, your arrogance, your riches. I am white, he's black. I am rich, he's poor. That devil must not be allowed to come in between you and your brother. No gaps left. When they finish off, they say, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So peace and blessings of God to everybody to the right of me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So peace and blessings of God to everybody to the left of me. When I did this, I see an African there. When I did that, I see a Chinese here. When I did it again, next time I see a white man there. Next time I see a colored guy there. I see an Eskimo this side. So in my heart and mind, this is my brother, this is my brother, this is my brother, this is my brother. System. The Muslim is the only guy who has the system of eliminating this racism. We are still racist. The sickness is there, it hasn't left us. But the system makes you the least racist. I'm still ashamed to say that we are not free from the sickness. Whether you're a Pakistani, or you're a Bangladeshi, or you're a Punjabi, or you're a Turk, or you're an Arab, I say we are all sick. The system is there to eliminate these feelings of racism out of you. Then on a Friday, bigger gathering. Then once in a lifetime you go for pilgrimage, and there you see, this is the Chinese Muslims, and the guy from Ethiopia is black as coal, my brother. And the guy from Turkey with blonde hair and blue eyes, my brother. I didn't imagine all this. To me, all Muslims are look like me. Now I see an Ethiopian is a Muslim, and the Madrasi is a Muslim, and the Chinese is a Muslim. My brother is system of bringing people together and working out this poison of racism.